What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on the AVI channel. Today we're gonna check out my Mitsubishi Eclipse GTS Spider. Before I bring it into the shop, I'm gonna check it out using this BlueDriver, see what's actually wrong with it before I bring it in. And I usually keep this on my Subaru. There's no problems with that, and we'll just try and check it out with this thing. So I heard this works better for like American cars, but we're gonna go ahead and try it out on this 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse. First time out of the way, so I'm gonna be surprised. I should mention, so far it started right up this morning. And I know the manual is a little wonky, so maybe let's just check it out. So after long looking, I think I found it right under there. There it is. I thought that was it initially, but nope, there it is. Now we just gotta let it run through the app, and I'll screen record it for you guys just to see what I see. So here we are live in the AVI studio, and we're checking out the BlueDriver app through my screen recording. And right now I'm on the live settings where you might be able to like monitor your air intake temperature, things like that. But it looks like it's not supported with this car. On my Subaru it is, but so we're just gonna go ahead and check the check engine light. We're gonna go ahead and click that, scan the vehicle, because this car does have a check engine light. So we wanna figure out what that is, and it's scanning, and it takes relatively quick to scan. If you were to do the all system modules, that does take some time, but so here we found 4 codes. So we're gonna just put in the current mileage of the vehicle, which is about 129,000. Just to check it out here, and it looks like crankshaft position sensor was detected, and cylinder misfire, and cylinder 1 misfire. So that looks like a spark plug issue. I'm not too worried. O2 sensor, hopefully for the catalytic converter, and nothing more. I'm happy to see that there's nothing wrong with the manual transmission. So unless there is, something, and this is just the BlueDriver, I wonder what the shop's going to show me, but. Yeah, so if you click on the actual code, it'll tell you specifically what to do and what to buy, and there's a video to show you how to repair it on your own. So that's kind of unique. And yeah, so here's the rest of the settings. Vehicle information. Haven't set that up yet. Scanning the system again for all system modules. So this is a longer scan. It does take time, so I'm just going to edit this part out. And then we're back to 90. And it's done. So still the same 4 codes found, which I'm kind of thankful for. So it's still the same 4 codes. Crankshaft position, cylinder 1 misfire, and the O2 sensor. So that's kind of good to know. Alright, back on the main screen, we're going to try that smog check, see if it works. Still not supported. Alright. Mileage status, nothing. Freeze frame. Maybe this is just all the information at a given point in time. Freeze frame shows the sensor's value at something. But yeah, this isn't live, this isn't current, so not too worried about this part. I'm double checking the live feature here just because I know it works later on, but so I just figured I'd show it again, all the different options. But it says it's not supported now, but it does eventually work. And then here I click on mode 6, which I'm not sure what that means, but looks like I have all the green lights except for one down there, which I don't know what that means at all. But yeah, here are the the different features on the BlueDriver. Kind of the main focus is the read codes part. Vehicle information, that's just from my Subaru, the VIN number, so it doesn't match up well because I didn't put in the right VIN. But yeah, let's go check out the gauge cluster now and tell you more. Now I want to see if I click clear engine or clear codes button. I want to see if that will turn off my engine light. Service engine soon. So I wonder if that'll turn it off. I'm kind of curious to see if you're able to sell this car without the engine light. So I'm going to try it out using the app. Alright, so back on the app, we're going to go ahead and click clear codes. And I think I went ahead and clicked all codes just because I'm kind of curious to see if you're able to clear all the codes from your gauge cluster. And maybe to see, like, some people might sell their car without the check engine light just so it's worth more, maybe, without any problems to the buyer knowing. So it's cleaning right now, and it does take a minute or two to fully clear everything. So I actually ended up closing my app once it reached 100. And we'll see the finished product. Alright, so you can see now the dashboard is clear of engine lights and stuff. So yeah, it actually did clear it. And now I just want to double check if you can reread the codes without the light being on. So we're going to do that now. Alright, back one more time on the app. We're going to go ahead and read codes. I was a little confused at this part because it says this will stop active data logging, so I'm pretty sure the live feature does work now. So we're going to go ahead, check engine lights, and it's scanning. A little longer this time. But as you can see here, 0 codes found. So that's kind of to my surprise, 0 codes. And here's just me showing the live feature. But yeah, I'm just, a little surprised. Maybe it'll pop back up soon because the trouble is still there. So I think eventually it'll come back again as an engine light. But for now, maybe you can temporarily turn it off. So I was just curious to find out, and as you can see, you can clear the codes and you can also kind of hide them, but I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Just if you're curious, if you have a Mitsubishi Eclipse 2, the OBD port was right underneath the gas pedal, kind of closer to the center dash. So that's kind of where I got it from. BlueDriver, bought it on Amazon, and it was recommended to me by Chris Fix, that's who it was, so I got it. And if you like this video and you like the BlueDriver system, go ahead and get one. I recommend it. This is 2003. Honestly, I didn't think it would work for this car, but it did. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and just like that, AVI out.